going to take a wild guess, and I think this is going to be the new deep blue Juggernaut 4 I ordered, which again, if you watched that last video on the Casanova, you'll know that I'm a big fan of blue watch facings, and that kind of look is very much kind of my style, what I like to go for. So let's do an unboxing here, hopefully, of the deep blue Juggernaut 4. Alright, this one is new. Actually got this one on eBay, believe it or not, which I hate. I don't trust anything I get on there, so let's see how this goes. But anyway, here's the deep blue precision diver. Let's open this bad boy up. Alright, that is beautiful. Again, like I say, I'm a big fan of the rich blue, and I love the texture on the face of this watch. I think that's what kind of drew me to this one over maybe some of the less expensive, and even some of the more expensive deep blue watches. I love that wave effect, the ripple kind of look, and the richness of everything in it. Let's take it out and see what we have. You get, I guess you get a key fob, little wrist bracelet, a little cleaning cloth, and some info which probably will never get read. So, alright, so it's good. Still get the tags and everything on, and wrapping on the wristband. God, this is beautiful. Actually, it's really, really nice. Alright, so hopefully it gives you an idea. Again, it's all about the detail in these things, I find. And you never really get the full impact of, especially these watches. You see, and I think that's true of the out of orders. I've got this last week as well, is when you see them in the photos, you don't really get that semblance of what it's going to look like on your wrist. So, or just the variety of looks, when the light shines on it a certain way, or little things like that, I think make a huge difference. So here's the watch clasp. Really nice quality. Very thick, a lot thicker I feel, or maybe just more solid feeling than the out of orders. But let's see what this is gonna need. Size, no doubt about it. I've got tiny wrists. Well, 6-inch wrists, but either way, that's the sort of overall look. Again, I think it's about a 44 or 45 mil casing. But you'll see just that, the way it looks, the variance on it, really, really nice. You get the little waves, get the richness of the blue, kind of satin sheen on the interior sort of bezel area. And then I went for the black main bezel just for the contrast. I think the blue on blue is a little bit too much, because this is very heavy, kind of bright, rich blue, and I wasn't a fan of the white bezels. There's a ton of options you can get in these watches, from white bezel, blue, black, and then on the interior you get the black face, blue. I think there's a grey as well, white, and then you also get a range of mother of pearl as well. So just depending on your personal preferences, one may work better than the other, but the strap is actually very, very nice, very high quality, I assume stainless steel. Let's hear what the bezel's like. Is this a screw crown, or? Yeah, it's a screw crown, okay. I wish I knew what time it was. But I think it's about midday. Very, very smooth crown. Nice little detail on it there. You can see, how it looks all the way around. Quite a beefy looking case. A little wee scratch on the stainless steel there. Nothing major. You can see there how it all looks. Very nice detail, nice materials and everything. Alright, so there we go. There's the second hand on the go. Had a little panic moment there when it wasn't moving. But yeah, hopefully that gives you a lot of the detail of the watch itself. Again, really love the quality of the deep blues, from what I've seen anyway. This is actually going to be my first one to own. And if you don't already know, and you're interested in deep blues, what I find is, you know, because of where a lot of these are found, like WatchGang or whatever, people tend to pay a little bit more for them. But if you use the code DEEP or the code BLUE on the Deep Blue website, you actually get 40% off these things. So these retail, I think, about $580 or something like that. But you can end up getting them for around $300 if you use those codes on their own official website. So that might be something just to think about. But yeah, really happy with this. It's beautiful, nice contrast, a little bit different from the out of orders, of course, you know, with that kind of distressed look on the out of orders. These are very, very polished looking. Really nice rich blue. Yeah, pretty happy with it. Let me know as always if you have any questions or queries, guys. That's pretty much it for this unboxing. Make sure you hit the like button if I did a decent job, and hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and I can keep you posted with new unboxings, new training, reviews and so on as I go. But meantime, guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.